Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you back to our HTML series. So in the last lecture, we have learned how to add images, audio and video to our web page. So today we shall learn like how to display our data into a structured way using HTML tables. So tables are very important when you want to show information like a student records, price list or schedules. So let's get started without wasting time. So let me open my VS Code first. So just wait a second, it's opening. Yeah, it opened. So we will create first we will create the basic template for the HTML. Okay, and we'll give the title as the table in HTML. Okay, so as you know, like whatever we are writing will reflect on to the our what it is web page. Okay, so there in the table there is tags are like table this uh, just a minute. So table is basically define the table, and there is your tr. So what it does basically, it define the row, and there is one th which defined the header cell, and td defined the data cell. Okay, so let me comment it down. So yeah, so now we will create one table. So let me write like table, and in the table we will give like the border. What are the border I want? So border I will give like one. Okay, and in the table I want to give the table tr, define the row, we are defining the row. So in the tr I will give like table header, okay, which is th, and in the th I will give like name, okay, and just a bit second, control c, control v, okay, name, age I will give my age, and I will give my city, okay, and in the table data. So how gonna I write you? So table data is written like tr. Okay, in the tr I will give like td, table data, and inside the table data I will write like Amit. Okay, and in the td I will write like my age, which is 22. Okay, and in the td I will give the location, which is Delhi. Okay, so like that I can repeat it twice, and in which I will put my location and my name. So my name is like Siddharth, and I am like 20 years old, and I am from Bangalore. Okay, so this is how I can put that. I can create a table and I can give some data into our table. So let me open it into the browser. Let's see how it look like. So for going to the browser, I have to show the preview here. I should click on that, and let me open into the browser. Yeah. So see, this is how it is created: name, age, and city, which is the table header, and the table data is like Amit 22 and Delhi, and myself Siddharth. I am my age is 20 and I am from Bangalore. Like how I can create a table. Okay. So basically, th. th we have used because I want like the header should be in bold letter. Okay. So for that only I have like given into the th. Okay. And all the data I want to it normal form. So that's why I have given simply like td. Okay. So this is how we can create. So in the when we will talk about the attribute, let me close this. So attribute of table. So what it is basically the first one is like your border. So it add a border to the table, and second one is like cell spacing. So cell spacing means it add a space between the cell, and cell padding. Cell padding means to add the space within the cell. Okay, and the next one is like width and height and align. Like width and height means what the width of your table and height of your table. Align means to align a table like left, right, center. Okay. So like bg color. So these all are like attribute of a table. So here only I am making notes for you guys. So just write it down, these all things. So the next thing is like merging cells. Okay. So like we have created a table and I want to merge the columns or I want to merge the row. So how we are going to do that? So now we will see that thing only. So inside the tr, I will give like suppose tr and I will give like row span is equal to 2. Okay, and in the name only. So let's see what will happen. So see, these all two columns has merged. Okay, are you getting the difference? I hope so. Okay, so like when you will give the th like call span and equal to 2, and when you will go to your page, so see these two get merged. Okay, so basically it will merge your table and row and column. Row basically merge the two row and the column will merge the two column. Okay, whatever the value you will give, like if you will give the 3, then it will merge both of 3, I think. Yeah, it will merge the both of 3, means it will take the 3 spacing generally. Okay, so this is how the table functionality work. So the next one is like caption. Okay, so let's talk about the caption once. So let me delete this all thing. So caption means caption. Okay, so in the caption, if you are writing like a student marks. Okay, so what basically happens? And let me go to the page. So see, here is one caption came like a student marks, and below that you can make your table. Okay, so I hope I am clear. Let me show you once. Like here is the table is already created now, and I will write like caption and student detail. I will write like this, and when I will go to my page, see the caption or the you can say the title of the table is generated, and like this we can perform the different operations on to the table. Okay, so next one is like t head, t body, and t foot. Okay, so let me see what it is basically. So let me delete till now what. So I will write like in the table I have given the border like 1, and then I will write like t head. Okay, in the t head I will give the tr, and in the tr I will give like th, and I will give like name, and I will give like your marks. Okay, so this is how the table head is created. So let me show you this on the page. So see, the table head is created. Okay, so if we will do like table body, okay, so below the table head, I will give like table body, so T body, and in the T body, I will give like TR, and in the TR, I will give like TD, and in the TD, I will give like name like Sid, and marks is like 80. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So see, in the table, my marks is already I append my marks into the table. Okay, so next, the table footer. Okay, so it is like T foot. Okay, in the T foot, I will write like TR, and inside the TR, I will give the table data, and in the table data, I will give like total student 1. Okay, I given the total student 1. So see basically what the T foot do. So in the last, it will give like the total number of student is like 1. Okay, so wait a second. To total student, and here I will give like TD, and here I will put 1. Okay, so see, it will give like a total student, and in the next column, it will come like 1. Okay, so this is how T head, T body, and T foot works. T head for the header section, body means like your body section, and T foot means your footer section. Okay, so and that's how we have created a format table in HTML. Okay, so you now know how to add row, column, caption, and even merge cell using call span and row span. Okay. So in the next lecture, we shall move on to the one of the most useful part of HTML, which is form, where we will learn how to take user input like text, password, radio button, and checkbox. So make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss it. So see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.